Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 17T Pro, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find more connectivity options. Then let's scroll down again and find Reset Wi-Fi Mobile Networks and Bluetooth, and tap on Reset Settings. Here, let's tap on OK, but obviously you have to be aware that you cannot undo this action, so just think about it and tap on OK if you're ready. And now you need to wait until you'll see this information, and it means that we just successfully reset network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.